Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. Or today I'm going to unbox Euphorbia box for the month of May. So let's just open and see what I got in this time's Euphorbia box. So this is how the box looks like this month. It's brown in color. Earlier they used to send like a white box. So this time it's a little different. It's brown in color. So let's just open and see what I got. Alright, inside I got this pouch, red pouch, and last time also I got a pouch, like it was a brown pouch, and these pouches are very handy to keep your shoes really nicely and intact. So yeah, let's just open this and see what I got. Alright, I see another pouch here, and it's a really pretty bag, and this is red in color textured bag. It's like just like a wallet. Really love the bag, and let's just open it and see what I got this time. Here I have the info cards, and this is May Euphorbia box. Alright, so let's just see what products I got. So the very first thing I see is a mist, and this is by Sutra. This is Lavender Love Face and Body Mist, and this is made in India, and it is 50 ml of product. And this Sutra Lavender Love Face and Body Mist retails for 499 Indian rupees. Then I see, oh okay, so this is by Good Soap, and this is Artisan Hand Blended Wild Belly of 1000 Roses Bath and Shower Gel. Alright, so this is like a shower gel, and this is 100% certified organic ingredient based, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 100 ml of product, and this one retails for 550 rupees. Whoa, it's quite expensive for a shower gel. Yeah, alright. Then I am left with two products, and I think they are the same product but with different colors, and this is definitely makeup. This is nicely bubble wrapped. I'm just gonna open it. Alright, so these are lip crayons, and these are basically 7C's Crazy Matte Pen Lipstick, and I have two of the shades. One is shade number 624, another is 602, and both retails for 299 each. That means almost 300 rupees each. So yeah, that's that. One is a little pink in color, and the other one is red. I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand and see how the colors look like. These are such bright and summery colors. The red one is 602 and the pink one is 624, and they glided on my skin really smoothly, really nicely. So yeah, I am having really high hopes with these. So yeah, we'll definitely try it on my lips and see how they are. And that's it for my Euphorbia box for the month of May. I got total 4 products, 1 mist, 2 lipsticks, and 1 shower gel. And the total worth of Euphorbia box this time is 1649 Indian rupees. Plus I also got a pouch to carry my makeup around, so that's really nice. So yeah, all the other information regarding this box will be in the description box. So yeah, go and check it out, subscribe for yourself, and if you are new to my channel, watching me for the first time, then do hit the subscribe button, help me grow. And yeah, that's it for the video. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye bye, take care.